Today we are going to learn how to use Gamma.app for creating presentation for our projects. Gamma.app helps us create presentation with most stunning layout, and it writes all the content, saves us hours of time. So go to Google, search for Gamma.app, this website, and this is the homepage. If you scroll down, you will know that Gamma.app helps us create presentations, create documents, social media posts, and websites. This is an AI generated application. This is an AI generated content, and it is one of the best websites for the projects. So to start, just click on Start for Free here, or in the top right corner, you can sign up with a Google account. Click Start for Free. Sign up with a Gmail account. So once you sign up with a Gmail account, this is the workspace dashboard. You can see I'm using the free version of Gamma.app. There is also pro version. We are going to see the advantages in a minute. So this is how it looks, and to start a new project, you have to create a new project using artificial intelligence. Click on this. This is the best page that is going to create our projects. Now you can use first option, paste in text, to create a presentation from a document that we already have in our computer. Simply copy and paste the text to create a presentation. Or the last option here is import a URL. If you have a website or if you have any URL, you can simply paste it and Gamma.app will generate a presentation out of it. Today we are going to see how to actually generate a presentation using prompts. Click on Generate, and in this window you can see you can create a presentation, you can create a web page or actual website and publish it, you can create a document, and you can create a social media post. Now I'm going to create a presentation, and if I scroll down you can see cards. So what is a card? In Microsoft PowerPoint we call it as slides. The slides are cards in Gamma.app. The next option is what kind of layout you want. The traditional layout has a larger screen, larger visualization, and a tall layout is good for tabs. I'm going with default, and the best feature about Gamma.app is you can create a presentation in any language. Now I'm going to create a presentation. I only need 8 cards or 8 slides basically, and I'm going to input a prompt. Now you can also see that they are recommending example prompts here. If in case you don't know how to write a prompt, I have attached a video on the top. Just click on it. You will know how to write prompts in a most easy way. Now I'm going to create a presentation. I have pasted the prompt. This is about my agency. Now maximum it can have up to 7 lines, not more than that in the free version. And in the pro version, we have that advantage of inputting prompt more than 7 lines. Also, the best thing about the pro version of Gamma.app is we can have a custom domain for our website. But the free version offers domain name which will end in Gamma.app, which is more like a watermark. Anyways, today we are going to see the presentation. So I pasted the prompt. The prompt is create a sleek, modern, high-converting sales presentation for Wins Emeralds, my agency, for website designing services. Highlight the problems, give the solution to all the businesses and companies, include key features like UI, UX, layouts, mobile optimization, very important topics that will be covered in a website designing basically, and our projects, and what kind of packages we are offering to the customers with different pricings. Now you can generate outline. Once you click on this, you can see the application generates the key points and outlines how the presentation is going to be built. You can simply dive in to know the problem, the solution, the key features that sets us apart, the proven practices, pricing packages, why do you have to choose us? If you feel that you can see here, it has not given my phone number. So I'm going to enter my phone number now, or basically a WhatsApp number. That is how simple it is to edit. Okay. So if you want to edit, just click and edit it. If you want to move this, if you want to rearrange this, simply click on this, drag and move it to the top, anywhere you want it. Okay. I think this is not in the right place. So let us put this back, Control Z, and it'll come back down in the place, and you can rearrange however you want. If you want to create a new card, you can see a plus option. You can click on this, you can add a new card. All right. So this is how simple it is. So I don't want a new card. I only want 8 cards. Now, if you scroll down, you can instruct this artificial intelligence to give a minimal content with lot of images, or you can use a detailed content or extensive content. It depends on the project. Then it also gives us theme options. For our presentation to look good, we need to select a theme. We can also go and scroll for more themes. You can see it offers a lot of themes in the free version. So I'm going to choose one. I'm going to choose the best theme, the night sky theme. And the next option is image source. It is set to automatic. The image source is where it generates images for our presentation by itself. And guess what, guys? These images are going to be super high definition and very well suiting images for our presentations. If you see the next option, it is set to auto select. This is the image generation model which we wanted for creating all the images for our particular project. This defaultly uses ideogram 3.0 turbo. We can even change this to any other model if we want, but I'm going to leave it to auto select. I'm not going to do anything. It is image art style, which I'm going to choose photorealistic. Since it is a business presentation, it should be proper. And if you want extra words, like you want particular fonts for your presentation, say for example, you want particular colors to be used for the presentation, you can mention it here. Talking about advanced mode will give you more control and clear view of all these outlines generated. It is not necessary. You can just simply click generate. So let's click on generate. Now you can see Gamma.app generates our entire presentation with artificial intelligence images, 8 cards, 8 slides with perfect content matching our project. Guys, this is one of the amazing content. Even I cannot even write this. It is so perfect. It matches to my project. All the details have been mentioned. You can see. But we're going to make a few tweaks on this. You can see this image is not professional. To edit it, click on it. And you can see an option, ask AI to create. So here I'm going to ask it to change the image and make it more professional. Now you can see it's creating images and it will suggest us 2 more images to use it for the project. For this particular layout is perfect. This is a good image. So we can make more edits. We can edit the content. We can edit the entire notes. If you have notes, you can input and copy and paste the notes and you can change the content. Okay. And if you scroll up, you can see a lot of options here. All right. You can download it. You can copy this section as a link. You can change the theme from here. I'm going to change it. Let me see. Let me give a darker theme. Okay. Very nice. Now, if you want to create another card, you can simply click on add a blank card, or you can use artificial intelligence to create another card, which is basically a slide. And guys, the best option is in the right side. You can input basic blocks. If you click on the blocks, you can input bulleted list, numbering list. You can add images, you can add videos here. Even you can add YouTube videos, you can add charts, graphs, you can add more clear diagrams for explanation, and you can also change the layouts. And you can ask artificial intelligence to do all these things if you don't want to do it manually. And guys, if you explore the top right corner, you can also present it directly from the application. If you are going to present this project in your office, you can simply click on present. So once the project is done, if you wish to share the project, we have variety of options. You can click on share. You can see you can ask someone to collaborate. You can publish this as a website. Remember, this is a presentation. And you can share it with anyone you want it. All right. And you can give the access just like Google Documents. And you can export it into Google Slides or a PDF. And guess what? You can also directly post it on LinkedIn. So this is one of the best presentation I have ever made. Gamma.app enables us with lots of features and saves us hours of time. Now to get back, click on this G and you will come back to your workspace where you can see your work already. You can click it, edit it, view it, share it, do anything you want. Now guys, we are going to see something really interesting. I'm going to create a presentation which I'm going to post it on LinkedIn. It's a presentation about my LinkedIn profile. So try this. It's going to be really interesting. To do this, go to your LinkedIn profile. This is my LinkedIn profile. Once you're on your LinkedIn, click on resources and save to PDF. Your profile is saved as PDF. Now go to Gamma.app. You create a new AI, import file, upload a file, which is a PDF. So we are upload the file from the computer, which we saved from LinkedIn. Open it here. Like this, you can open any PDF documents, any documents you have. And I'm going to create a presentation. Click on continue. So once the PDF is uploaded, click on continue. Now this is my profile and this is the outline that it has generated. Now I'm going to click on generate. I don't want 10 cards. I only want 5 cards. On generate. Guys, now you can see it has created an entire presentation from the PDF that we gave it as input. The file which we took from LinkedIn, and it has created a portfolio presentation for my profile. I'm going to simply upload this on my LinkedIn as well. It's so easy. So guys, that's it for today. Please try it and tell me in the comments what is the best feature that you like the most while using Gamma.app. See you next week.